Welcome my next video about transistors, and I think we have made a big progress. Right now we are ready to start make some real experiments and do simulations. But before starting the real experiments, I wanted to shoot a few more videos because I didn't talk a lot about analysis of transistor circuits. And if you know them, it is going to be better when we are doing experiments. You can understand them better. For this reason, I will try to shoot 2 or 3 more videos to give a few examples, and I am going to make analyses. So you will be better in the analysis of transistor circuits, because when you look at a circuit which includes transistor, you can't say directly which mode that transistor is in. You need to analyze it, and according to your assumptions, you are going to find its mode. And already I showed the equivalent circuit models for the modes in the previous video. If you didn't watch, I think you should start from the first video of this playlist and come this video, because we are making progress video by video. So I don't want to I don't want this video to be long. I will start here. I wrote an algorithm. Now you are seeing an algorithm here. In this algorithm there are steps, and we should always follow these steps. Firstly, we need to assume our transistor is in the amplification mode. Even if it is not, already we are going to figure out that. After we assume that, we need to replace our transistor with the amplification equivalent circuit, which I mentioned in the previous video. Then we should find base current. If current is in the opposite direction of our assumption, this means that our transistor is in the cutoff mode. And if we determine it is in the cutoff mode, we don't have to make this last 2 steps, because it is in the cutoff mode. We determined only we should replace it with cutoff equivalent circuit and solve that circuit. But if it is in the not cutoff mode, we need to use gain constant to find collector current. I mentioned what is this gain constant in the previous video. We will multiply this gain constant with our base current, and the result will be our collector current. After we find this collector current, we should find voltage difference between collector and emitter. If our voltage difference is greater than 0.2 volts, this means our assumption is right. If it is not, this means our assumption is wrong and our transistor is in the saturation mode, and we should replace it with the saturation equivalent circuit, then solve it again. Maybe when I read this algorithm it is not that clear, but I will make examples. After you see them on the examples, it will be more clear for you. So I don't want this video to be long. I will stop it right now, and in the coming videos I will make a few examples, and we will analyze circuits, and after that simulate them. So now I will stop this video and see you in the next videos.